Southern Charms, back with a new video. And do I have a surprise for you? We are doing these beautiful, I'm gonna post it here, a picture of it. That's what we're doing, y'all. These cute, adorable little guys showing you are number one in their book. So adorable. I cannot wait to do this. Thank you to my member who sent these to me. Super exciting. Here is our frog. Don't know if you can see him. And here we have our turtle. See, he's telling you you're number one. And then we have our little French bulldog. Isn't he adorable? And then we have our little Highland cow. Y'all, you're so cute. I can't wait. And for this first pour, I'm doing nothing but clear. I have my resin in my bubble remover right now, and I added a little of the Marabou rainbow to it just to give a little sparkle to it. That's all I'm doing. I want to pour these first just clear with a little bit of sparkle. So that's what we've done. And y'all know in the resin, their molds are squishy and that sticky silicone that's super soft and flexible, but it also picks up everything around it. Husky hairs, dust, anything like that. So when I am finished with these, I'm going to put them in Ziploc bags to keep all the dust and everything away. Plus, I'm going to have an idea of how much resin it takes to fill these up. I'm guesstimating right now, so we'll see what the final tally is. But then I'm going to put them all back into this cute little sealed into resin bag, so I don't have to worry about husky hairs and all that jumping on to stay in the mix. I will give them an little spritz of alcohol down in them because there are some little areas that we don't want bubbles hanging out. So I have that when this machine, my bubble remover goes off, my resin will be clear, ready to go. We're just gonna pour it into, and I'm gonna do my usual method, pour about a third, and I'm gonna pinch and squeeze the bottom, and that's gonna push any air bubbles out and suck resin back down into these little nooks and crannies like ears, his fingers, all that stuff. So we're gonna let the bubble machine finish, and when that's done, I'm gonna pour these. So I'll see you when these are ready to come out and we get to see them all done and ready for their debut. Anyway, guys, go grab a drink, grab a snack. It's just gonna be a few seconds for you guys. It's gonna be a little bit longer for me on my end. But we'll be back to unveil these adorable animals with their number one sign. See you in a few. We're back. These are done. Oh, look. Remember, I only did clear with a little bit of Marabou to give it that sparkle. Let's get these babies out and see what we have. And y'all can see this mold. Okay, let's turn that over. We're gonna fold our mold back out, set it to the side. Y'all, look at that baby. It is a little French bulldog. Saying you're number one. Now this has a frosted finish. I really like this. I really do like this. I can leave it clear. I could go in with some acrylic pens and add some details, and maybe I'll add like some eye details or the inside of an ear. But I don't want to add a lot to these, y'all. Isn't that adorable? He's so cute. Okay, let's put him down. Let's get our next one. What do we have now? Our cow. Let's leave that for last. Let's do the frog. Alright. Stretch here. And I'm pushing from the bottom too. Y'all, that came out so easy. I love these molds. Look at that little frog. He sits up and he lets you know too, you're number one. He's so adorable. There's our frog. Now we have our turtle. Y'all see how easy this is. I did not put anything in these molds. I did not use my secret soap water mixture. Here's our adorable little turtle. Look at him, y'all. Isn't that adorable? So cute. And last but not least, we have our Highland cow. Let's get this beauty out. And this one has some horns. Okay, this did better. There we go. Y'all, how adorable is that? These are so cute. I know my friends are gonna have a fit. These are adorable, y'all. I love them. That's all we have. And you see, all we did was clear. And you see how we added the rainbow, the little sparkle in it. So we have, I'll just lay them down so you can see them. Put them all here together. Cute four little friends. Oh, look at that. They're so adorable. Stand up. They sit on their little butt. Look at that. Perfect addition to anyone's desk. Right? Y'all, these turned out great. I love them. Love, love, love. Next time I may brush these with, how beautiful will that be? The holographic glitter on there. Gorgeous. So, next round, we're gonna add a little something, something to these. But, that's all we have, y'all. How fast and easy was that? I love these molds, and remember what I said. To protect them, I will put them back in their plastic. Sorry, I know this is loud, but it's like cellophane. So I'll put it back inside. Whoop, sorry. I'm gonna fold that inside to protect it. And then I'm gonna put it back in my, into resin zipper bag. That's gonna keep all of my husky hairs, any dust, any particles, anything like that off of these, because these are that soft, squishy silicone. But there we have it, y'all. That's it. Make sure you do all the YouTube things. Give us a like. Go hit that like button. That helps other people find this video. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Doesn't cost anything, and it really helps the channel out. And by doing that, you allow more artists to find us and to hopefully ease their anxiety around doing these creative, beautiful projects. But y'all, that's all we have for this one. Happy arting! Until next time, I'll see you then. Ta-ta for now.